Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Today I'm here with a couple of very, very lucky lads who spun out on straight pavement, hit a piece of ice, ended up in the ditch here last night, and we're here with the tow truck driver trying to extract the vehicle.
We're definitely lucky.
Very lucky.
Definitely lucky for sure.
Yeah.
That pole was close. It was not fun. Not at all.
Not fun, yeah.
Not at all. But everybody's okay. That's all that matters.
That's exactly right.
As long as everybody's all right. Car's a car. It'll get fixed.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Excellent. And you came all the way from Pembroke to rescue the boyfriend.
I did. I came all the way from Pembroke. I was very worried. Car's replaceable, but his life isn't.
Exactly.
And big thank you to Dawn and Joy for helping us out.
I don't know what I would do if they
and
didn't.
having us stay at the house and just keeping us safe. Thank you so much.
I don't know what I would do if they didn't find him. I'm really lucky that you guys drove by and we were with him.
You're very welcome, of course. I hope anyone would do the same thing. But boy, I mean, it was so dark last night and so cold. If you had been unconscious, no one would have seen you for a million years.
Like, we're a good 5 feet down.
Yeah.
That's not a good spot.
Well, I'm just glad that everyone made it out alive and everybody's safe.